Hi, I'm Nimisha, your manifestation coach, and today is day 26 of this magical practice. Today, we're going to talk about how to magically transform our mistakes into blessings. We must all learn how to turn our wounds into wisdom. Every single mistake that we make is a blessing in disguise, and today's magical practice is going to prove exactly that in every mistake that we made, there is a lesson that is hidden. And it is time for us to acknowledge and learn that lesson. When a child makes a mistake, suppose he's trying to learn how to ride a bicycle, we never stop them from making mistakes. We know that making these mistakes is going to make them stronger, make them learn that skill, right? But as adults, we are not allowed to make mistakes. We don't allow ourselves to make mistakes, and when we do, we end up criticizing ourselves or the others, and we love to shift blame, isn't it? But today we are going to stop doing that. We are going to start focusing on the lessons from the mistake rather than focusing on the mistake itself. All of us make mistakes. All of us have the freedom to make our own choices, and when we make these choices, we may end up making the incorrect ones. But that's not something that you need to criticize yourself for. You need to learn from that mistake, unlearn a pattern, and then realize what can you be grateful for in that situation, and then move on rather than blaming or shifting responsibility onto somebody else. Let's consider a scenario where you have been pulled over by a police officer for overspeeding. A lot of us tend to say that, oh, they really want to just make money out of us, and they were hiding, so that we would overspeed and we didn't notice them, and they're just trying to do it on purpose. But is it really true? They're only doing that, they're working relentlessly for our safety. If we were probably not stopped, we would have oversped and maybe we would have met with an accident. Isn't it possible? It's absolutely possible. The problem with blaming others is that often we still suffer the consequences of the mistake, but we don't take the responsibility, and because we don't take the responsibility, we don't have it in us to actually change the situation. And today I'll tell you exactly how to learn from your mistake by start expressing gratitude. When you start expressing gratitude for the mistakes that you've made, from the lessons that you've learned, then you are focusing on the gratitude, and because you're focusing on gratitude, you attract more situations to be grateful. Today, think about a mistake that you've made in the past. It could be anything. It may be that you trusted somebody blindly who never deserved your trust to begin with. Maybe you let somebody walk all over you and gave them your all, and they never did anything in return for you. Maybe you backed out of a project where you shouldn't have backed out, and now your word means nothing to anybody. Once you have it, I want you to write down at least 10 things that you're grateful for about that situation. What did you learn from that situation? And why are you better off today because of that situation? Now for this, you can ask yourself two questions. What did I learn from that mistake? And what came out of the situation which is good, right? And when you start answering this, you might find a certain answer. Or let me give you an example. Let's talk about the speeding ticket, and I'll read you some of the things that you can be grateful for in a situation like that, which may help you, get your creative juices on, right? So, following that example, you could say, I'm grateful for the police for wanting to protect me from harming myself, because after all, that was all they were trying to do. I'm grateful to the police because I'm honest with myself. I was thinking about other things and I wasn't concentrating on the road. I'm grateful to the police because it was foolish to put myself at risk speeding with a tire that needed to be replaced. I'm grateful to the police for the wake-up call. Being pulled over did affect me, and it will make me watch my speed and drive more carefully in the future. Now, I would urge you to think about situations from your life where you made such mistakes and take the time to feel gratitude for the situation, because this is exactly what's going to multiply the benefits that you're attracting from gratitude, and it's going to be extremely beautiful. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.